Hey, how are you everyone? I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be giving my honest opinion about my experience so far using Seedify, which is a blockchain gaming launchpad which investors like me use in order to get allocations into IGOs or initial game offerings before they are actually listed on exchanges. I'll show you my tier, my allocation amount, and current profitability, and then I'll give my opinion. Actually, this is my second video on Seedify, so if you are interested in a walkthrough tutorial on how to get set up, please check out my previous video in the top right of your screen now. So if this sounds good to you, please leave a like, subscribe, and if you haven't already, don't forget to activate the bell button, which will give you notification of my future time-sensitive content. Okay, so first of all, let me explain the tier system. Here's what their tier system looks like. Currently, I'm in Tier 2, which requires you to hold at least 1000 S Fund and has a pool weight of 2. As you can see, the tiers go all the way up to Tier 9, so unfortunately, I'm a very, very small fish indeed. So just to briefly explain the pool weight, if I receive a $20 allocation in Tier 2, that means the pool weight of 1 is $10. Half of 2 equals 1, right? So therefore, Tier 3 would receive $55, Tier 4 would receive $120, and so on. I hope that makes sense. So basically, the people who hold more S Fund will definitely have a huge advantage over the smaller holders in getting larger allocations. So far, I have only participated in 3 IGOs on Seedify. The first one was Snook, and I was allocated $22.58 BUSD at a price of 32 cents per Snook. Snook is currently trading at $1.35. The second one I entered was Monsters Clan, and I was allocated $24.70 BUSD at a price of 15 cents per Mons token. Mons is currently trading at $1.38. And the third one I got into was Forest Knight, and I was allocated only $9.57, okay, at a price of 15 cents. Currently, Knight is trading at 73 cents. So I think that kind of gives you an idea of the kind of allocations you get for Tier 2, which requires you to have at least 1000 S Fund, which is currently valued at $3.21 per S Fund. So I've included also a screenshot from Seedify Telegram group, which shows you all tier allocations from 1 through to 9 for Monsters Clan, which was the current IGO. So seeing this, you can get a feel for the different tiers and how much allocation they will actually get. It seems to me you want to be in around Tier 4 to get some sort of decent allocation. Okay then, so there you go. I hope you found my research useful, and based on this and your own research, you can make a decision whether or not S Fund is worth investing in or leveling up into another tier or whatever. Of course, you should also make your own decisions aside from what I've shown you here today. As for me though, so far I'm not overly impressed, probably because I don't have enough S Fund, and so I'm not really in a high enough tier to make it worth my while. Basically, early adopters here have been rewarded, which is pretty much the norm in crypto. In my opinion, under the current tier system, unless you can pick up some S Fund for really cheap, and you go and you have a significant amount, say about level 4, then you could find this really profitable and totally worth it, especially if the current demand for play-to-earn games is sustained. For small investors though, it hardly seems worth it for such small allocations. That is just my opinion though. It would be great if you could share your opinions in the comments below. I'd be really happy to hear what you have to say. As for me, I'll just hang in there for the meantime, as I'm kind of committed now, and I'll just see what happens to the token price. If it dumps down to around $2.80, I'll try and grab some more. Okay then, thank you very much for tuning in today. Please don't forget to leave a comment, drop a like, and activate the bell. Have a great rest of your day everyone, and bye for now.